EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martinger with your outlook for August 31st, 2020, the final day of the month of August. We will see mainly cloudy skies today. You might have a few peaks of sun very early in some areas, especially our farther northern and northeastern areas this morning before the clouds quickly increase. But elsewhere, we're going to be cloudy for most of the day. And this is all in advance of a warm front that's moving toward the region, and it's going to be very slowly doing so over the next 18 to 24 hours. So we're going to have the cloud cover pretty much most of the day today, and then in our southern areas, we'll see this area of precipitation down to our south, creeping northward here and bringing some scattered showers and or drizzle. These are going to be very light rain showers, though. This is nothing really heavy until you get south of the Mason-Dixon line. So it looks for our area, it looks like it comes in later today as you head toward mid to late afternoon and evening as it gets in our far southern areas. And then it's going to be very little activity going into, it's going to last into Tuesday morning at a minimum. And then we think this finally gets out of here later here on Tuesday. Going over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, starting this off at 5 p.m. I started this with I used a composite radar here, and I did this on purpose instead of using the 1 kilometer above ground level, which I normally use in these videos. And I use the composite because this typically picks up on things that the higher resolution model does not do. So it'll pick up some drizzle, just to give you an idea of where that drizzle may occur. So you see here at 5 p.m., it's mainly along the southern Pennsylvania and Maryland border here, across Delaware, maybe interior southern New Jersey. Just some real light showery stuff here, very little in terms of activity. Further north, you might just have like more of an isolated shower, and that's it. This is going through evening now. And then again, the overnight, you have a few showers just kind of lingering and working its way through. Again, these could be just spotty drizzle because it is a warm front and it typically accompanies a warm front. And then we get into Tuesday morning, you have some concentration of showers going on here going into the early afternoon, and then it kind of hangs out and lingers. So tomorrow's kind of be the same thing here with this just precipitation just kind of hanging around here and really not going away. But total precipitation through tomorrow evening is this. Not very much. All right, most of these are a couple hundredths of an inch, maybe a tenth of an inch, maybe slightly over a tenth of an inch in a few spots, but that's about it. So it's not a lot of precipitation, even though it looked like there was a lot going on the radar there. A lot of that is kind of like light drizzle, very light rain showers, and very few and far between. So that's what we're dealing with this warm front. Again, the bulk of the precipitation is going to be off to our south of the Mason-Dixon line, and that's going to remain there until this pulls offshore here on Tuesday evening. And then once we get to Wednesday, we'll have a mostly cloudy day with an opportunity for a pop-up shower again, maybe even a thunderstorm, because we're going to have a little bit more instability to work with on Wednesday. Not a lot, but a little bit more. And we'll be on the warmer side of that warm front now, so that's going to get temperatures a little bit warmer here on Wednesday. So the next couple of days, we're still going to be cool because we're going to have plenty of clouds around. So we'll have temperatures kind of like 75, 76, 77, 78, depending on where you're at. Kind of both days here, both today and again on Tuesday. Tuesday actually probably going to be the cooler of the 2 days, so probably closer to the middle 70s. But because today is going to start off mostly dry in most areas for most of the day. Even though you're cloudy, you're still going to get up to the upper 70s today with those clouds around. This is a cold front that's pushing toward the region, and once we get to Thursday, we're going to have this front move through with some scattered showers and thunderstorms ahead of the frontal boundary. And that is going to be generally afternoon and evening for that. So a partly cloudy start here on Thursday, or at least partly sunny, partly to mostly cloudy, we'll call it, somewhere in the middle there. So not completely partly cloudy, but not mostly cloudy either. So this is on Thursday with the scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. And the cold front itself is going to actually move through here on Friday. And there could be just a stray shower or storm with that as that front moves through, but I think most areas will remain dry here on Friday. And after that, we have a very nice weekend coming up going into the Labor Day holiday weekend, which you really deserve because it's the final, for many of you, so we got back to school going on. Of course, we had COVID going on for the last 6 months, and it's just a weekend where you can just kind of enjoy yourself and enjoy the last unofficial end to summer weekend, which is Labor Day weekend. We have our final beach forecast going out this Thursday ahead of the Labor Day forecast, or Labor Day weekend here. But it looks like, at least to start this weekend, here's a mostly sunny Saturday. Temperatures very comparable, actually a day very comparable to what we had yesterday. So if you like yesterday's weather, which was absolutely gorgeous, you're looking at that again here on next Saturday. Very similar high and low temperatures as well. And then Sunday, kind of similar here. Mostly sunny skies. Might bump up the temperatures another 2 degrees or so. So instead of 78, it might be 80 here on Sunday. We're going to have a cold front approaching the region here on Monday, but it's uncertain if it gets here in time by Monday evening. This is looking at Monday evening, and this, of course, is going to change over the course of the next week here with as far as timing goes. So far, at least to start on Labor Day Monday, it does look like we're going to be dry. We'll have a cold front approaching, whether that comes through overnight like the European model is showing here or not. If it gets speeds up a little bit, gets some late day thunderstorms to our region on Labor Day will remain to be seen. Of course, we'll update that throughout the week with new videos and new model guidance as it comes in. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marters. That is our outlook for August 31st, 2020. Have a great Monday.